Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, throwing you a curveball. Yes, no pre-workout review. Sad, I know. No BCAAs, no nootropics, no fat burner. What the heck is there? Well, I consider this to be in the protein family because it's collagen protein. It's by Obvi, and here's the thing. Wait till you see this label I'm gonna put up over here. You ready? You got your bibs on because you're gonna drool. Oh man. Whew. Yeah, Cinna Cereal. Looking delicious. I also think they have a fruity cereal. If I can find it, put it up over here. Oh yeah, about that Cinna Cereal, man, I got my heart already in my belly. All right, what I'm gonna do now, go through the supplement facts. I'll put them up over here, and then I'll explain how I'm gonna run this for a few days, and we'll go from there. All right, supplement facts over here. Like I said, 1 scoop's 9.5 grams, 30 servings per container. Nice, I like that. Pre-workout people should take notes. 30 servings. Go to that. All right, calories coming at 31. That's an odd number. Protein, 7.8 grams. And that's coming from the collagen peptides in here. So you're not going to hit your daily protein goals with this. This is supposed to be supplemented with other things. Make some of your drinks and food taste yummy, which I'm hopefully expecting with this. Also, they have the amino acid profile per serving. I'm going to put that over here as well so you can get a best of both worlds as well. All right, here's the thing. Collagen, it's good for your skin, for your nails, for your joints. There's been some that need a little more research, as in, your gut. They say build some mass muscle, for your heart as well. I mean, this been around for a little while, but I think there still needs to be some more studies, but there are some benefits to this. I have been taking a non-flavored one here, which is pretty much almost odd. I've been adding to my shakes in the morning once a day. It pretty much hits the spot. But the Cinna Cereal, I might take 30 of these a day. We'll see. Just add some milk and drink it from here. All right. So what I'm going to do, the real test, I'm going to take, oh, fudge, forgot to take this off. And take this, oh, wow. Man, smell of YouTube vision. Here we go. Just invented that. I'm going to take this in water. Then I'm going to come back probably tomorrow, take it in milk. I'm going to add this in my shake that I have with other protein powder, milk and berries, frozen berries. I'll see how that is. Maybe put this in some Greek yogurt. There you go, healthy snack right there. It's all about healthy choices, and this will definitely help make stuff taste better. And then I'll come back and give my final review if we should be adding this to our arsenal or not. That's good. Like I said, water is the toughest, to mask in a way. I'm going to give it 4 scoopers out of 5. I'll be back tomorrow for milk. Taste test 2 in milk. Let's go. YouTube Nation, just like yesterday, do work. Even better in milk. 4.5 scoopers out of 5. All right, I'll see you for tomorrow for, I don't know what taste test. Maybe in yogurt, maybe in my morning shake. We'll see. Got some Greek yogurt. Got my collagen protein for Obvi. Let's mix them together. YouTube Nation, do yogurt. I don't know. A little disappointed in a way. Thought it'd be a little bit better. 3.5 scoopers out of 5. I'm gonna add it to my shake for the morning, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Breakfast shake, taste test. Let's go. Definitely taste that sweet Cinna Cereal flavor in there. It's good, but it's overpowering the berries, which I like to taste. That's why I kind of like the unflavored in this. But the yogurt and the milk, that was really good. With the benefits and possible benefits collagen does, I'm gonna add this to my arsenal. 4 scoopers out of 5. All right, YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. Found this review helpful, beneficial, and new way to add collagen into your life. Hit that like button. Right down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 minutes review ride.